Yo, what's going on, y'all? I am back with another unboxing and review of something that I just picked up today. So let's get into the box. I'm super excited about it, and I'm looking forward to sharing this with you all. So let's see what you get. All right, the lock. There's a gun. Let's get that out the way. Okay, gun is magazine out, clear. And then, all right, so this is the CZ P10F and 45 ACP. It's the optic ready version as well. You get one magazine that is 13 rounds of capacity. Let's see, there it is. A second one, and I bought two more, so a total of 4. These are the back straps. I believe these are small, large, and medium, and the one on here is a small. Let's see if we can get that S in there. There we go. Okay. You also get some snap cap, a snap cap, which is nice, just for dry fire, and your typical manual and stuff like that. Okay, so that's the unboxing. Now let's get to the range and shoot it. But let me tell you all what I'm shooting. I do have quite a bit of ammunition here. This is a total of 1,000 rounds. Different companies, different bullet weights, just to put the CZ through its paces. I have the Federal white box, 230 grain bullets, standard ball ammo, nothing crazy. I also have some Spear. This is a 200 grain plus P bullet, right? So this should pack a little bit more punch just to test it out further. And then some jacketed hollow points, some Underwood plus P 185. I have this right here from Hot Munitions, a 185 grain bullet and 235 grain jacketed hollow point. So 1,000 rounds. Let me stop talking and let's go shoot it. CZ P10, y'all, 45. What do I think about it after the first 1,000 rounds? You know, I kind of can't remember. Let me jog my memory. Man, that was nice, but you know what? I still can't remember. Let me try again. Hold on. Let me see something. All right, one more. Man, this is awesome. Okay. All right, sorry, camera pro. So how has it been after these first 1,000 rounds? It's been really, really good. I've had no complaints with it. I enjoy shooting it a lot, and you know, I put a bunch of rounds through it and no issues. You know, I'm not going to bore you out with the specs and stuff like that, but one of the things that I do like about this gun is the grip. I don't know what this is called, I forget, but CZ has this grip in here that allows you to get my hand up real tight, so when I bring it forward, I get a nice solid purchase every single time, right or left-handed, right? I really like that. This or beaver tails. The other thing I like about it is the texture. So I'm not sure what this is like. The sides are kind of Glockish a little bit, the texture, but the front and the back are really grippy. They're really, really nice. It just feels good in the hand when I bring it forward to shoot. What else do I like? The trigger's nice too. So there's that travel. You don't get any mush, no sandpaper or sludge. It's very smooth. You get to the wall, nice crisp break. And the reset is really ridiculous. But you know, overall it feels very comfortable in the hands too. I know there are people who care about, you know, guns if they're too big but this is kind of slim. Like for a pistol that's 45 full size, it's kind of slim, so it does feel good in the hands for those who want to know. The gun is pleasurable to shoot. But anyways, let me shoot it some more. So I'm going to shoot something different this time. Those first Magazines were Federal White Box. This time I'm going to shoot the Spear. It's a 200 grain full metal jacket, very, very stout, plus P2. So I want y'all to pay attention to the recoil. Let me know what you think about it. But I'm also shooting left-handed. I'm a right-handed shooter, so you know, let me know how I'm doing. But I'm at 10 yards, by the way. Yeah, that got some punch for real. Whew. All right. Really, really, really nice. But the recoil in this gun is very, very minimal. I mean, 45 is really awesome to shoot, but it's so smooth. It's like, you know, if you've ever been to a restaurant and they give you butter for your pancakes, it's like putting butter on pancakes, man. It's so smooth, man. The recoil is easily controllable. The ergonomics are great, and they're one of my favorites. But I have a light on here, and I want to tell you all about this light. So, hold on. All right, so one thing you'll notice when you buy this gun is its aftermarket support. So again, this is the P10 and 45, not the 9mm. We don't care about 9mm. But one of the issues I found was finding holster compatibility. So when you look online, pretty much every company that makes a holster makes it for the 9mm version. And so I called CZ and I'm like, hey, are there any holsters for it? And he gave me a few options, but not too many. The first is this right here. So this is a light bearing holster, for those who don't know. He told me that if you get a holster made for the Glock Model 20 or 21, this gun will fit, which is this. This is a Glock 20. Now the 21 and the 20 are basically the same gun. One shoots 10 mil, this shoots 10 mil, the 21 shoots 45, but for the most part, it's the same gun. So the CZ in this holster does fit. It does not fall off or anything like that. It works, and this is what I've been running, so that is an option. If you don't get one for the 21, there's a few other options. You can, he told me you could get a P80 lower for a Glock 17. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but a P80 lower, and that'll work. I don't have that, so I can't confirm. The other thing is that there are a few companies, not too many. I'm going to point here so y'all can see that, and this company. So this company makes custom holsters. You can send your gun into them and they'll make a mold for it. And I'm going to put this back up here and point to another company, and this company. So you do have a few options again for the CZ 25, but not too many. But hopefully this helps any of you all that are looking to get a holster. So that was just me shooting it. I'm going to go and do some precision shooting or accuracy shooting, so just give me a second, set that up. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna wrap up the video. I'm gonna do some accuracy shooting to see how good I am. Now I'm at 10 yards. The target is 35 by 23. Now I want y'all to notice a couple things. I'm shooting this gun left-handed. I'm right-handed. I'm using irons, and I'm not wearing gloves, okay? Because the creeps and the weirdos keep commenting about the gloves, so I'm not going to use gloves, okay? But I'm at 10 yards, and they claim I'm behind my target, so let's see what I can do. All right. Okay, so that was at 10. I'm gonna back it up some, okay? Now I'm at 15, all right? Remember, let's see what I can do. How many I got left? Whew, I got 2. I'm almost out. All right, I'm gonna take these last 2 at 25. Hold on. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I'm not gonna cheat y'all. Hold on. All right, okay, I'm at 25. I ran out of ammo, so I'm gonna just use what I got, and then I'm gonna reload and we're gonna kill some good. All right. Okay, all right. 25 yards. Let's go see how I did. I don't think I threw any, but I don't know. And that's my drone, by the way. Okay, so, ooh, come on now. What, come on now. I shot at what I said, 10, 15, and then 25 yards. And I shot, I don't know, was that almost 50 rounds maybe? Something like that? No, like, I don't know, almost 30. I had 1 in the 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 9, and the rest were in the red. So CZ P10 45, what I think, great gun, 1,000 rounds, no malfunctions, no anything, no issues. So far I'm liking it. I'm definitely gonna keep shooting it, but let me know what y'all think. How'd the gun perform? How was my shooting? Subscribe, like, comment, watch, hype the video, all that other good stuff, okay? And I'll catch you at the next one. Peace.